Hey guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV. I am here today with the Forest River Alpha Wolf 26RL-L. Sale price on this starting at $39,497. Payments starting at right around $311. Towability on this, it's about a 7,000 pound camper, and your length is 34 feet on this. Now at Lakeshore RV, we do offer nationwide financing at some of the most aggressive rates you'll find, and we have a nationwide customer base, so of course we're going to ship this thing from our door to your door. And I look forward to hearing from you, so please reach out to me on my personal cell phone, 231-215-2750. You can call or text. You can call us up at the store here, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. Let's go check it out. Huge living area and kitchen in this couple's coach. Guys, thank you so much for checking this out. Again, you can contact me, Mike Potts, on my cell phone, 231-215-2750. You can reach out to us at the store here, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. And always remember, guys, we will finance you nationwide at some of the most aggressive rates, and we will ship this thing directly to your doorstep here at Lakeshore RV. Thanks again so much. Have a great day.